Hi Riyaj, I'm just searching about the topic of childhood obesity.
What is childhood obesity, Papa?
Childhood obesity is when a child is heavyweight or is weighing more than the normal weight. That is childhood obesity. You understood, right? To make you understand better, how about I introduce you to my new friend? You want to see who is it?
Yes, Papa.
Say hi to Brad.
Hi, Brat.
Now, Brad is gonna make us understand the causes of childhood obesity and the risk factors associated with it. Over to you, Brad. Hey everyone, I'm Brad. Today I'm gonna discuss about some causes and the risk involved with childhood obesity. Buying behavioral pattern. Children often are inclined to fast food and packaged food, which is not good for health. Unscheduled or erratic lifestyle. Children tend to have very odd hours of eating and playing with friends, mostly inside, on phone or watching television, with bare minimum or no physical activities. Laziness or lethargic. Lack of energy or laziness makes children always feeling sleepy and unattentive. Because of not doing anything, they always or most of the time dream of food and start binge eating, which in turn have adverse effect on their weight. Unhealthy food habits. Eating outside food, junk foods like chips and colas, which are hard to resist but are unhealthy, also plays an important role in the increase of fat around the tummy. Intake of extra calories. BMI increases with every calorie intake. Some foods are delicious and many can be made at home too, like pastas, pizzas, burgers, etc. have too much calories. We tend to overeat those amazing treats, but with that comes extra calories and take you from normal weight to overweight or obese. Fit to fat. With all the reasons stated, children unknowingly day by day tends to shift from fit or normal weight to becoming fat or overweight, mostly with belly fat. Children start making fun of your weight. With your body getting out of shape, other children start making fun of your excess weight. Overweight children loses their self-esteem and confidence. Normal weight children try to avoid being with the overweight child, due to which most overweight children loses their self-esteem and confidence and go into self-isolation and avoid meeting friends and families as well. Let's discuss about some risk factors associated with childhood obesity. Fatty liver. The acquisition of fat on the liver. Sleep disorders. The probability of developing sleep apnea is more when the child is obese or overweight. High blood pressure also increases the rate of heart diseases. Asthma. The risk of asthma or difficulty in breathing increases when the child is obese. Depression. Due to low self-esteem, children tend to also acquire depression. Behavioral problems. Obese children are quite anxious and develop a social inactive life. Genetics. A child is higher at risk of obesity when their close family members are obese. This could be due to bad eating habits and sedentary lifestyle. We have to fight childhood obesity with physical activities. Dancing is a way to have fun and lose weight at the same time. Doing yoga is the most effective way to be fit for a long period of time. Walking is also another way to be with nature and fit at the same time. Any outdoor sport should also be played to keep you healthy and fit. Let us from now on say yes to outdoor activities and no to childhood obesity.
Thank you. Thanks for teaching me. Now I will play all my outdoor games and exercise.
Thank you, Brad, for making Riyansh understand the risk involved and the causes of childhood obesity. Childhood obesity is a very serious threat. We in India are just second number after China in childhood obesity. So we have to take care of our child and not get them obese or overweight. We should exercise and focus on healthy living. Big shout out to Original Talent by Pooja Dhawan for making and assisting me in making this animated video. Thank you, Pooja. Thank you.
And if you like, please share, subscribe.
You heard him.